Installing Cherokee's veiled fiberglass tree stake. First, use a stake plunger to penetrate the soil to about 18 inches. Then we insert the stake into the soil. Next, we tape the tree to the stake, starting near the bottom where there is the greatest pressure, and pull the tree towards the stake. Using masking tape with the sticky side out and away from the tree bark, we wrap the tape around the tree several times. Then we flip it back over so that the sticky side is facing the other sticky side. We work from the bottom of the tree upwards to the top of the tree or the leader. We then finish the newest growth with a tapener so that the sticky side of the tape doesn't pull any of the bark off the newest growth. The objective of staking the tree is to get the tree perpendicular to the ground and to keep it upright so it can harden off as perfectly vertical as possible. This will create a nice straight trunk on the tree and train the leader to continue to grow straight up.